Hey, fifth graders. All right, so if you look at the top of this page, which is GR29 for lesson 13, you might see the scary word of algebra. Oh no, it's so scary because there's going to be letters, and what will we do? You will get through this. This is not hard. I promise you. It is easier than you think it is. You're just scared of the word, and once you see what is actually being involved, you're gonna be like, "Oh, just kidding. That's a joke. This is easy stuff. I've been doing this since I was a little kid," and you have. I mean, you're still little kids, but you've been doing this since you were littler kids. Anyway, so you know what? Let's just jump down. So we're going to ignore that box where it says unlock the problem. We're just going to jump down to the try this part. So it says if tools cost a total of $18, how much will Montel pay Shay? Evaluate the expression for C or 5 plus C for C equals 18. So really what this is Shay pays $5 more than the cost of the tools that she buys, okay? So the tools cost $18, and we want to evaluate the expression 5 plus C if C is equal to 18. All right, so here is the magic trick. Hopefully you can see that, the glare is not too bad. Here's the magic trick for this. All you do is you say C is equal to 18, so you plug 18 in for C, and then you solve the problem, which means this problem is saying 5 plus 18. And then you solve, which is going to be 23. And it's actually talking about money, so you maybe put a dollar sign on there, but I'm not super worried about that. So yeah, step 2 was replace C with 18. 5 plus 18 equals 23. Evaluate. Montel will pay Shay $23. That is literally the only thing you have to do. They will tell you, here's this thing, here's what this other letter represents, or here's what the letter represents. Please solve the problem. Sometimes they will be adding, sometimes they will be subtracting, sometimes they'll be multiplying or dividing, except for the dividing. Oh no, there's a dividing part. Okay, cool. So they'll do all these different things, but really all they're going to do is they're going to give you some little easy expression, which is just a number math problem. And then they're going to tell you, hey, this letter here, that represents a number. And that number happens to be this. And so you just plug it in and solve. And it is super, super easy. So I know you can handle it. We'll do 2 problems just really quickly. Let's do number... all right, well, let's do number 4 first of all. Just because I want to make sure that you see that. Now, because you're 5th graders, well, going into 6th grade here, I'm recording this and we've got basically one last week of what would have been our school week. But because you are 5th, almost 6th graders, for some reason, reading instructions is hard. And I think really what it is you guys realize that you're quite clever. And so you look at a problem and you just start jumping into solving the problem, rather than saying, hey, what are those instructions that are written in bold? What are they asking me to do? So number 4 might be a problem that you guys, if we were having class, would be raising your hand and saying, what am I supposed to do, Mr. Lewin? I don't understand. And it's because you didn't read the instructions. But that's okay, because you're young and you'll get it. So it says, Zeke, well, no, sorry. The instructions say, write an expression. So an expression is just write a math problem. Zeke has some tropical fish, F. So F is equal to the tropical fish. All right. Dean gave Zeke 5 new fish. How many fish does Zeke have now? Well, if you're going to write a math problem, if F equals the tropical fish, really it's the tropical fish that Zeke has. Okay, so we're going to say there's the fish that he has, plus he got 5 new fish. And that is literally all you had to do. F plus 5, done. You don't have to solve it because you can't. You don't know how many fish you had to begin with. So that's it. Super easy, right? All right, let's do number, I don't know, we'll do number 7 just for fun. So number 7 says 49 plus K for K equals 31. Okay, so again, K is equal to this number, which means that we say 49 plus K is 49 plus 31. And if you solve that, that's going to equal 80. And it is just that simple. So this is a very, very easy lesson. Do not be intimidated by the word algebra. It is not as scary as you have built it up in your head to think. I mean, if you remember when you were little, well, littler anyway, your teachers probably gave you problems that looked something like this, right? You've all seen that before, okay? This is the same thing as algebra. It's just using a question mark so that you're not so scared, okay? Or sometimes it would just be a blank, right? 49 plus some number equals 80. Not that hard. You can do it. Okay. So yeah, you have the homework, and then let's see. And then we've got inequalities after this. Fun times. All right. Have a good one. Talk to you later.